Thank you for your patience. We just got on the bridge. We're about to get on board. Oh, the water.
I've got my coat on though.
If anyone's seasick, bring a bowl. So cool. We're in Disney World! Long walk. Light. Wonder if the main mouse will be on here. Mickey Mouse. Almost there. Just about there.
Just about, baby.
We're getting there. There's the boat.
Yeah.
Captain James Hook.
You're missing your baby!
Lincoln, you got that around your wrist?
Oh.
Welcome aboard!
Show them their bag.
Now it's awkward. Welcome aboard!
Hello.
Hello, how are you, landlubber? Good to see you. Oh yeah, the numbers are right at the end of your boat there. Look at the end of your row. Your row number's right at the end of the row. You don't have to fold that up, buddy.
Just about there. Where are we, Tori? Going on a cold boat.
Let me high five. Ow! Holy cow, you're strong. Let me get your knuckles. Wow! There we go. That was real strong.
Where are we supposed to sit? 11 into the bathroom.
Did I put it in?
Tanya.
Oh, look at that duck. Be careful. The ducks are going to try to sell you insurance. Run away! Run away!
This is gonna be fun. Oh. Hey, Smee. That was Mr. Smee. James Hook's gonna be going on the other boat. Smee. He's just gonna watch. This is gonna be fun.
Avasti Hardy's welcome aboard! Everybody finding their seat all right?
Lincoln, Tori, and Dad both have to sit. Dad has to sit with us.
All right, before we set sail, I need everybody's help to say goodbye to my good friend Mr. Smee and Cap Hook, who's about to retreat on the count of 3 with a great big pirate arg. Here we go, everybody. 1, 2, 3.
Arr!
Bye-bye, Mr. Smee. Keep an eye out for that tricky Peter Pan. He's always lurking somewhere. We're about to set sail, but I don't know your names. You already know my name. It's Pat. And on the count of 3, I want you to scream out your name. Everybody introduce yourselves. 1, 2, 3. Nice to meet you, Peter. All right, we're setting sail on the Seven Seas Lagoon. It's time for the Seven Seas Lagoon official pirate oath. So everybody get your right hand, your starboard hand up in the air just like this.
Low battery.
Very good. Now form it into a hook like this for me.
Huh?
Or your left hand. There you go, sweetheart. It's okay. And everybody repeat after me. Everybody say I.
I.
State your name. I promise to keep all my hands on deck and not to dangle them overboard. All my treasures are in check. And most of all, I pledge a true pirate I shall be. I'll laugh at every single joke
no joke.
Thank you very much. A whale of a time for me. Arr! All right, landlubbers, you guys are so enthusiastic. I'm going to make each and every one of you honorary pirates tonight. How does that sound? Great. How about we get Lorelei right up here? Where did that beautiful princess go? Lorelei, come on right up here, and everybody, give her a huge round of applause. Your first mate this evening, Lorelei. Take a bow, gorgeous. Take a bow. Very good, Lorelei, for participating and being our first mate this evening. You are going to receive this pirate crown, which is going to give you all the rights and privileges that us pirates have. We don't have any privileges. There you go, very good. Give her a round of applause. Lorelei, ladies and gentlemen. Go ahead, take your seat, princess. Absolutely, whatever. I'm going to call your group name off this list. When I call your name, I want you to scream. I want you to shout. I want you to holler. I want you to yell, because that will officially make you a pirate tonight, starting with the Nerd Herd. There they are, and clearly they are the Nerd Herd. There he is right there, the king of the nerds.